The first and third floor of the 3-floored wood block building is like the drawing on the right. Get the amount of blocks used on the wood block tower using or more and or less. So yeah, what this thing wants you to know is that when you make a tower out of wood blocks, they can't be repeating. Like if the wood block tower's first floor looks like this, and the looks like that, and the third floor looks like this, then if this is the first and this is the third, the second couldn't be a one block. It can't be like that. That's what they want you to know, because then it would kind of sort of look like this on the thing on the tower, and what they want is not to not do that, because who wants a tower that looks like this on the side? So you do not want that. So what this means is that when you want to make it not overlap with the third floor, you need to make it more than the third floor. The second has to be more than the third floor, and it couldn't be like 3 over here, because it doesn't match a single piece, and the third floor, it defines gravity and it will be floating on the surface of air. So, and they don't want you to do that because they're not using bond or anything or glue anything. No super glue, nothing. So they're only using wood blocks, and it would fall if you put it like this. So, and this guy would fall down and it wouldn't make the shape you wanted to, because the third floor would be 1 and the second floor would be more. So you don't want that to happen. So what they want you to do is to get the highest amount you can use in the second floor and the smallest amount you can use in the second floor. So the highest amount is covering everything that you can. So from the first floor, the second floor couldn't be more than the first floor or less than the third floor. So it has to be about, unlike if you want it to be the most, you can cover every single piece that's on the first floor. So the most is for the second floor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 9, because it'll be covering everything, and then you can place the blocks on top and it'll just look normal. So there are 9 blocks you can use on the second floor, and then for the least blocks to use. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm covering everything. Yeah, that's how it looks like when you put everything on top. And then for the third floor, it'll create another one that looks like this, which makes it 3 floors, and it doesn't have any spaces running out or anything falling. So now what they want you to get is the smallest amount, the least. The least is I explained a lot, so the least should be like that, because think about it. The least, and it doesn't even cover more than the most, and it doesn't really cover less than the third floor. So yeah, the least has to be 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. And then if you add all of those together, no, not really, you don't add those together. Yeah, I made a mistake. So if you try to solve the amounts that was used, the most total is 9 times 2, which is because the first floor and the second floor looks the same. So 18 plus 3, which is 21. And then the least total is 9 plus 3 plus 3, which will make 15. So the answer is, it said use more or least, and or least, so you need to say 15 or more blocks, and 21 or less blocks are used in the tower. Yeah, so that is the answer to this question. Looks hard, but it's very interesting, right? I hope you learned something, and see you in my next video.